It was Tesla who filed his basic radio patent in 1897, but that was granted in 1900. So, and the Marconi, that is considered as the first who used wireless communication, but Tesla is supposed to file the first patent, and Marconi uses the concept of Tesla, right? In America, he filed his patent in 1900 and it was turned down. So then Marconi revised applications over the next 3 years, and again he got rejections, right, because of the priority of Tesla and other inventors. So here are some of the snapshots of the